We're in a 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS model. Just going to go over some features on the driver information center, show you how that works. You'll have a roller, series of a roller here and an up and to go up and down. These aren't buttons here, is the rollers. These two buttons here will be in relation to whatever's selected on the screen. Just going to go over that with you. So I'm going to use this roller on the trip menu. You have a trip menu, vehicle menu, and economy menu. So we'll start at the trip menu. As you see right there, there's a little dash. If I use this roller, I'm going to be able to go down each page. Try to get this a little bit closer for you. There we go. Go back up to the top. Speed. Trip 1. Trip 2. Range till empty. Instantaneous fuel economy. That's just telling you what you're getting the second. We're not moving, so we're getting 0 miles per gallon. Average fuel economy. Average speed. As you can see, there's only 22 miles on this vehicle, so that's really not a accurate reading. I'm going to go to the next column. That's your vehicle. This vehicle tells you when to change your oil by actually wear on the vehicle, not by miles. Usually comes around, for me, around 6,000. But it can be between 5 and 7,500 miles. Your first oil change, tire rotation, and multi-point inspection is included within the first 12,000 miles or 12 months on your new one. We'll go down to air filter life. This is relatively new for this vehicle. Tells you when to change your air filter. Tire pressure goes in each tire, tells you which tire has what air pressure. This is for the Ford collision alert. This is where you can change the distances for following distance, which there's a camera on the outside of this vehicle that measures how close it is to another vehicle. Units. I'm gonna go to the eco menu. That's going to tell you what the last 50 miles it got was 16.2. It takes about 50 miles to get an accurate reading. I've had my Traverse get right up at 30 miles a gallon on the average, which is great. Pretty good features there. Also, this display will show you the compass, the odometer, and what gear you're in, right there on the right. This is your consumer menu, your economy trend, which is like a video game for this vehicle. The goal is to get to 50 on this one. Looks like it can be done. There's your index to let you know how good you're driving. You want to stay in that little leaf where it says eco. That's when you're getting the best fuel economy. And that's all for this one. Thanks for watching.